Hello everyone, welcome back to your physics class. In the previous video, we already discussed about kinematics, the meaning of kinematics, kin means motion, nematics means mathematics, and also discuss about the different type of nature of graph. Suppose some equations given and how to represent the graph. So now in this video we're going to learn some real graph problem. Okay, so let's get started. Our first graph is displacement time graph. So suppose case 1, if the body is in rest, suppose body in rest position. Okay, so this is your y axis and this is x axis, right? So this is displacement and this is time. So body is in rest means, students, this is origin. Okay, suppose this is your home and your bus stand is about 2 kilometers. So 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer. Okay, so or 3, suppose 2 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, and you standing and waiting for the bus and time passes. Okay, so time 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, like this. So you can draw the graph like this and you wait, you actually waiting for the bus and the time passes. So this is the graph representing body is in rest. Case 2, suppose the body moving with constant speed, moving with constant speed or velocity. Then displacement time graph, this is S, this is T, and the graph will be like this. It's a straight line passing through the origin, because student, S is proportional to time. S is equal to constant V into T. So here T variable and S variable like Y and X, and V is the constant. So if you draw the slope, students, if you draw the slope, this slope theta represents velocity. Okay, the slope representing velocity. Now you can tell me, now see here velocity, if theta is acute angle, theta less than 90, it means velocity, no doubt velocity is positive, no doubt velocity is positive because theta acute angle, right? So corresponding VT graph we can draw. This is ST graph, and corresponding VT graph you can also draw corresponding VT graph. So we can draw corresponding VT graph. So VT graph, so this is your V and this is time t. Corresponding VT graph, as velocity is constant. Suppose the velocity is 30 meter per second. It means 10, 20, 30. This is your 30 meter per second, and the time 1, 2, 3, 4. So graph will be like this. It's a straight line parallel to the time axis. Am I right, student? Straight line parallel to the time axis because velocity is constant. Constant means parallel to the time axis. Now can you tell me for this graph, VT graph, for this graph, see here displacement 2 but velocity is 0. So if you draw velocity time graph, this is velocity, this is time, so the graph will be about the time. You can move the graph like this, means it's a velocity is 0, here velocity is 0, so the graph merge with the time axis. Am I right, student? So this is corresponding VT graph I can draw with the ST graph. Okay, is it okay? Is it okay, students? Okay, next please pause the video and write everything. Okay, okay, next our next graph. Suppose acceleration graph. Acceleration you can represent by A, and retardation you can represent by minus A. So student, this is S. We have already drawn this graph in the previous video. So this is ST graph. So acceleration means you can draw like this. Increasing graph. Okay, increasing graph. So student, if you want to draw the theta, suppose this is your first theta 1, and if you draw the slope here, you can see this is theta 2. So theta 2 is greater than theta 1. It means slope increasing. Slope increasing means velocity increasing. Am I right? Slope means velocity. So here velocity increasing. Velocity increasing means acceleration. Am I right, students? Say yes. Slope increasing means velocity increasing, and rate of increase of velocity is called acceleration. So see student, here theta acute angle, theta 1 and theta 2 both less than 90. Acute angle. Acute angle means velocity is positive. So if you draw the velocity, you can VT graph. You have to draw the graph in positive quadrant because velocity is positive. But velocity here increasing because of acceleration. Right. Next, corresponding VT graph. Your responsibility to draw corresponding VT graph. Let's do it. VT graph. Okay. So you can draw, this is velocity, this is time. Okay. So is this accelerated graph? Yes. Acceleration graph means velocity is directly proportional to time. V equal to A into T. A is called acceleration. So direct proportion graph, straight line passing through the origin. So you can draw like this. So if you draw the slope, it gives you acceleration. Okay. If you draw the slope, it gives you acceleration. So this is acceleration, and you can see this acute angle, so acceleration is positive. Okay, is it okay, students? So our next graph would be, yes, you absolutely right, retardation graph. So now negative acceleration or retardation. Negative acceleration or retardation. Rate of decrease of velocity is called retardation. So first of all, I am drawing ST graph, and you know student, for ST graph, for retardation, the graph will be like this. This is called retardation graph. Right? Now if you draw the slope, here the slope is increasing because velocity increasing. Here retardation means slope is decreasing. See, if you draw the slope, so this is theta 1, here also theta 2. So see, this is theta 1 and this is theta 2. Can you see student, which one is greater? Theta 2 less than theta 1. So theta 1 is greater than theta 2. So theta decreasing. Am I right? Here theta 1 greater than theta 2. So it means slope decreasing. Slope decreasing. Slope decreasing means retardation. Slope means velocity. So student, velocity decreasing means retardation, right? Clear? Now you can draw also the corresponding VT graph. So draw V versus T graph. So in case of VT graph, retardation means negative slope. Do you think the slope is negative? Is this theta obtuse angle? No, absolutely not. See, theta here acute angle, theta less than 90. So corresponding VT graph, you can draw it positive quadrant of VT. Okay, it might be slope decreasing, It may be here slope decreasing but velocity positive. Okay, did you get it, student? So velocity positive but decreasing, so the graph will be like this. Slope negative, so this. Now one more thing, student. In this graph, in this graph, student, you can see the acceleration, means the slope, slope is greater than 90, means obtuse angle. So obtuse angle means acceleration is negative, right? Because theta greater than 90, acceleration negative means retardation. Wow, understood everyone? So see, in again I am telling, if in ST graph, if slope increasing means velocity increasing, it means acceleration occur, positive. But in this case, theta decreasing, theta means velocity, velocity decreasing means velocity decreasing, and the theta obtuse angle greater than 90, it means theta in VT graph, theta obtuse angle means negative acceleration. So it's clear. Now, going through some problems related to graph. Okay? Okay? Let's do it. Okay, students. Suppose here given ST graph, ST graph, and the graph is like this. This is the graph. Draw corresponding VT graph. Draw VT graph. Okay. Before we try to this problem, before first of all, I will tell you that suppose think two graph. Suppose in ST graph there is a two cases. If the graph is concave up, there are two cases. There is a two cases. Number one, case one. This is called concave up. Okay. And another case, ST graph concave down. This case 2. Student, please listen very carefully. If you see the graph is concave up, then up graph means the whole motion, in the whole motion, acceleration is positive. A is positive, right? And if the graph is acceleration down, then the whole motion acceleration would be negative. If the concave up, then acceleration is positive, and if acceleration concave down, then acceleration negative. Got it? Now come to this problem. See, what do you think? This graph is concave up or down? You tell me. Sir, this is concave up. So concave up means the whole motion is, acceleration is positive. Acceleration is positive. Okay. Now, what about the velocity? What about the velocity? For that, you have to draw slope. Am I right, student? So think, see, this is the slope of the graph. Am I right? This is the slope of the, drawn a tangent, and this tangent represents the slope of the graph. And you can see with the x-axis, the tangent theta is greater than 90, obtuse angle. And students, for obtuse angle, velocity is positive or negative? velocity is negative. Velocity is negative. And now the tricks. See, if acceleration is positive and velocity is negative, if the sign is opposite, okay, if the sign is opposite, means acceleration positive, velocity is negative, in that case speed will be decreasing. Speed will be decreasing. Speed will be decreasing. These are tricks you have to remember. If acceleration and velocity sign same, then speed increasing. Acceleration supports the speed, that's why speed increasing. But in this case acceleration and velocity opposite, so speed decreasing. So what about the slope of VT graph? Students, you tell me. For VT graph, see, V is negative, so the graph will be in negative quadrant, no doubt, because velocity negative, so graph will be negative quadrant, right? Graph will be negative quadrant. So, and speed decreasing, decreasing means slope decreasing, so you can draw like this. So the graph will be like this. So this is negative V, right? Am I right, student? See, now your job, try this. Please pause the video, write everything, okay? Try another numerical, okay? Suppose there is a ST graph and the graph is like this. Draw VT graph. Your first job thing, this concave, this is number 2 problem. This is concave up or concave down? Sir, this is concave down. Okay, this is concave down, no doubt. Concave down means no doubt acceleration is negative. Concave down means acceleration negative. Okay, now think about velocity. First of all, draw the slope. If you draw the slope tangent, it means the slope theta is greater than 90. It means slope negative means velocity also negative. Now apply the tricks. Acceleration and speed, both same sign, not opposite, same sign. Same sign. It means velocity increasing or speed. Better you can say speed increasing. So the what about the graph? See, this is VT graph. In VT graph, you know, students, velocity negative or positive? Sir, velocity negative. Velocity negative. So the graph in the negative quadrant, and speed increasing means slope increasing. So no doubt the graph will be like this. This is the graph actually. I mean, defined. Okay. This is negative quadrant of velocity, but slope is increasing. That's why slope increasing? Because acceleration and velocity both same sign. If the opposite sign, then in that case slope decreasing. Another very important numerical. Suppose there is a ST graph. Okay, and the nature of the graph is like this. So draw VT graph. There will be 4 options and you have to choose the correct VT graph. So draw VT graph. I am giving you 4 options, okay? Multiple choice question, VT graph. Four option. First option, okay, like this. Okay, so here we have four options and you have to choose the correct option. Okay, sure. Students, in this ST graph, you can divide this graph in three parts. Okay, first part, first of all, think this is down or up acceleration. Said this is down, so down means acceleration throughout the graph, acceleration is negative. Am I right? Throughout the graph, acceleration is negative, concave down. Now student, you can divide it into three parts. In the first part, see, if you draw the slope, this slope theta, this slope theta is less than 90. So in part 1, theta less than 90, it means velocity is positive, acceleration is negative. It means the graph in no doubt velocity time graph in positive quadrant, but increasing or decreasing. Sir, V positive, A negative. It means opposite sign. Opposite sign means velocity decreasing, speed decreasing. Speed decreasing means the slope, VT graph slope as, right? VT graph slope decreasing, and it is in positive quadrant. Next, see, this is part 1. Next, part 2. You can divide in three parts. Part 2, in this portion, the slope, is there any slope? No slope. Slope 0. It means velocity also 0. So you can draw it in this point. This point is this velocity is 0. Next, part 3. Again, you can draw the tangent, and that tangent with x-axis is greater than 90. So part 3, theta greater than 90 means velocity negative, acceleration negative. It means same sign. Same sign means speed increasing. Speed increasing means graph slope increasing. Now you can tally this is not possible, this is also not possible. Now see this graph. First, velocity decreasing but positive, then 0, slope 0, then again increasing. So graph number 3 is the right option. So student, in this video I already discussed this type of graphs, ST graph and corresponding VT graph, and some tricks. Okay, and another very important thing, see, suppose in a graph they are written ST, there is a circle. Okay, now you tell me, okay, circle. So suppose they are given 4 graph, and which graph is not possible? Number 1 and number, okay, this graph is possible or not? Students, see, if I draw this line, then this point of displacement, suppose this is 2 km, this is 4 km, but the time is same. Suppose this is 1 second, 2 second, 3 second. It means, student, this object can exist in third second in both places, 2 kilometer as well as 4 kilometer. Now student, you think, is it possible for a body to stay, suppose a body to stay in the two different position in same time, two different position in same time, two different position in same time? Not possible. So this type of graph is not possible where the same time there is exist in two position. Student, please prepare for this graph for your exam. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you.